Good day everyone, I'm Hui. In this video, I'll be showing you this Singapore 1999 4th Portrait Series $2 notes. Before we begin, I must first say that I'm a Malaysian or Singaporean, so if I made any mistake, please forgive me. And if you think I'm missing something, do let me know at the comment section. Now this video is going to be a bit longer because these notes started in 1999. Until now is still in use, and because these notes might be still in use in the next 5 to 10 years, if you're watching this video 5 to 10 years from now, or after 2020, there might be some missing information, or because this notes is still in use. Alright, before we take a closer look at the notes, let's take a look at what the book can tell us about it. So for this first portrait series $2 notes, it's issued of course around 1999. The size is 126 mm times 63 mm. Printer for these notes is unknown because they no longer print the printer name on the notes. Then signature, there are two varieties. There's one is Tsu Tau. Forgive me if I pronounce it wrongly. And there's another one is Hsieng Loong. For the Dr. Tsu Tau, there's a replacement prefix ZZ, and there's an uncut sheet of 60 where 100 sheets are issued. Now I'll leave the book like this in case you want to check the price. However, please take note that the price here is in ringgit and it's just a guidance. Price may go up and down depending on the market situation. If you need more time, you just need to pause the video. Now let's take a closer look at this one, the Polymer Type one. So for the Polymer Type one, which began around 2009, so there is the size is also the same, 126 mm times 63 mm. The printer for these notes is known and is printed by the Note Printing Australia. As for the signature, there's Gok Chok Tong and Tharman Shanmugaratnam, these two varieties. Now, in case you're wondering what is all this symbol, is just showing the notes the batch of notes are from which year, which can be found below the word education here, which is why it says below education on back, which I'll later show you when I'll show you how way to find it when I'm showing you the notes. Now, I'll be showing you, of course, the signature. So this is how their signature should look like. Alright, now let's take a look at the notes. First, I'll show you the paper type. Do forgive me, you should know that all the collection which I use in this video are depend on where people go lending it to me. So I get this from money exchange. It take me some time to find it. We'll turn it around. Now, if your nose is in this condition, I don't recommend keeping it as a collection. If it's a new uncirculate, then it's good. But if it's like the one I'm holding right now, I suggest you just use it as normal money. Later I'll show you the watermark. Well, now let me show you the polyneal one. This is how the polyneal one look like. There's also another variety for the paper one. It's with a millennial logo. This also have an which I forget to show. So luckily this one have a picture. So there should be a this way the millennial logo are. So remember all this symbol? Now again purposely can get a few copy from the money exchange to show you. So here you'll notice there's one with the two triangle, one triangle and three star. So for the two triangle one basically is hold on. Two triangle one of course is issued in 2011. One triangle is 2011. Three star is definitely the latest one because it's not included in this book. Because this book is not yet, it's only updated until 2016, which now 5 years away, which means, yeah. So the book got some information that are still missing because this is notes is still in circulation. Alright, now I'm going to pause the video to show you the watermark. So the best way to check whether the notes is counterfeit or not is by looking at the watermark. The watermark that is not a lion head, is the portrait of Yusof being Shah. I'm going to pause the video again to show you the polyneal watermark. This is a polyneal notes, but Polymer Type watermark. Alright guys, I hope you learned something new. If you like what I do, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel, and have a nice day everyone. Bye bye.